we're using what's called the IKEA principle here, right? And the IKEA principle is if we find that people feel as invested and feel the satisfaction of building a piece of the thing as much as if they built the whole thing, right? And so too many managers, too many consultants come in and build the whole thing and say, a team, do this. Team doesn't want to do that, right?
Right.
Instead of saying, team, here's what we're seeing. What are you seeing? Here's our goals. Let's get some alignment here. Now that we have that alignment, what are your team habits that can change? What would you like to improve? What's painful to you? What's pissing you off at work that we can change here? Oh, that pisses me off. Let's do that. And then you get them on board and they feel a part of the plan. And it's not manipulative just in the sense of like you're just playing mind games on it. They care, like people care about things they care about. That sounds like a tautology, but it's actually a lot of insight in there. Like trying to get people to care about something they don't care about is the hard road.
Yeah.
Figuring out what they care about and aligning your goals with theirs is the simplest and easiest way to get teams bought into the plan that they are co-creating versus the one that they just have to follow.